So in this video today we will be discussing around the backups and restore in Moodle. So we have already seen these steps, how you can set up the automated backup in Moodle and how you can validate that backup whether it is working fine or not. So if you have not come across this video, I will paste the link in the description and you can see that. So in this video, you will be checking the manual backups and restore. So first you will try on the course level, then you will also check for the activity level backups. So let's get started with this. So I am here on this LMS and I am logging through the admin coming to this course Moodle tutorial for developers. So if you click on this course reuse, you will see here the options. So backup, restore. So I have to take a backup of this course, then I will pick this option backup. So it will be asking for these steps. So whether you want to include all in all user or not. So I don't want to include the user as of now. If you want to include activity and resources, blogs, so these are the things you can check or uncheck as per your business requirements. Okay. So I just remove this one and now let it be for the other whatever is coming. Click on the next again, scroll down and perform backup. Now click on continue. So if you create a backup, your backup will come under this user private backup area. Okay, you can see here the backup also include your course name, this one, and yes, it will remove all your space that is coming under your course and will be replaced with a underscore symbol. You can download this one if you want and you can keep this for the backup purpose. Whenever something wrong happen to your course, you can simply restore. Got it? But whenever you have automated backup setup, it will come under this section, and you have seen that in the previous video. Now, so this one is the course level backup. How you can get that? For example, let me come to this course and you have to find the backups that are already there in this course. Then how you can do that? You will have to come under this and then you will have to go to backups. Sorry, not backup. Now you will have to go to restore section. So once you go inside this restore, you can see all the backups currently available. So right now I just created this backup. I can see this one. You can also restore from here if you want. Okay, so let me try restoring this one. Click on continue. Restore into this course, merge backup course into this. Okay, so now here it will be also asking you to in which course you want to restore this one. Merge the backup into the existing course, delete the content of existing course and then restore. You can also pick this option. Okay, so please be sure if you have backup of this course, you can only restore the backup of this inside any other, not inside this one. Got it? So that's why it is all the courses coming, but you can see this one is not coming here. And I just created this one, introduction to PHP. Let me come to this course. Okay, so introduction to PHP, you see there is nothing, no content is here inside this course. Now I want to restore this backup inside this course. Okay, so click on continue, next, And what it say, it will also override your course name. Got it? It will be also overriding your course name. Override course configuration. If you want to override the configuration, yes, it will be also overriding. Like if you want to change the name of the course, but if you don't want, you can simply select no. Okay, so I want this name to be as it is. I don't want to change name. So these are the setting you can check. In case you want to exclude any section of this particular course, then you can also exclude from here this setting. So click next, perform restore. Now complete. And if you come to this course and refresh, you see all the data of that particular Moodle course will be appearing here. Okay, so basic coding, this everything is coming here. Let me come to this and see the Moodle, and under general tab only one announcement was appearing, but now after backup I see the two is coming. Why? Because the one was already there. In case you will have some data inside this course, and that will also be available after the backup of this course. Got my point? If you have any other activity, that will also be there, that will not be completely replaced. Now manually I can delete this one. Got it? So this is how the course backup works. So you will have the all the right, but you can only take the your backup and restore into any other course, not into that self course. Got it? Now moving to the activity level backup. Yes, you can also do the backup for the activity level. For example, I have this activity and I want to take the backup of this form processing. So click this one, and if you come under more, you will see the backup here. Exclude enrollment if you want. Next, perform backups, continue. Now you can also see the backups under your user private backup area. This one also will be appearing here. So in this name you will find the activity here. Okay, so this one activity you will find, but if you have a course backup, you will find the course this. So this is how the backup work. So in case you want to restore this one, same way this particular backup will be restored. Okay, for example, let me restore this one. I want to restore this. Continue. Again it will be asking you for a course, in which course you want to restore. So I will be selecting the same course. Let's see how it works on the same course. Click next, perform restore, continue. Got it? So here you can see, so this is the section basic coding, and this was already there, and this is coming after the backup. Okay, so you can turn editing mode on. ID is coming here 35, you can see here after hover, and for the above one it is coming 30. So this one is a new one, and that will be added after your this activity. In case you want to move to any other activity, you can also move this one. For example, I want to move it to block. I will be able to do this. Turn off this edit mode, and you see I just move that particular to this section, and I am able to move. So whichever feature works for any particular activity, everything will be working for your restored activity, and same apply for the courses. So this is how your backups works. Now coming to see the backup, and let me come here, and this, and if I go to restore, I can also download this one and I can also restore. Okay, so I have downloaded this one, but I want to import this backup. Let me try this one also, so that we will have the clear idea. Restore, again it will be asking for the same step, in which course again I am going to pick this introduction to PHP. Let me try this time test, and before going to test, let me check that part. In test, whatever is coming, no, in node.js there nothing coming as of now. Only one, this step is coming, how to install. So I want to add in this section. Okay, let me go back, cancel this one. No, let's complete it. Next, perform backup, continue. Now you see here, if you refresh, you will find this is added here, and also after adding this, it will redirect you to that particular course only. Suppose you are here to import the backup, but you are getting the lots of list, multiple list of courses here, then how you can do that? Let me show you that example. Suppose you have 500 courses here, list of all courses will appear here, then you can use this filter for searching the course. Okay, so you can just simply select that particular course you want to import in, restore in, and you can perform your operation like this. Yes, this is added in here. So after adding, you can adjust and you can send it to, yeah, move this particular activity to any topic. So please try this at your end and let me know in case you see any challenges.